In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your CapCut projects by creating visually appealing backgrounds and adding stylish text effects. Whether you're working on a personal video or a project for social media, these tips will help you elevate the overall quality and make your content stand out. Let's start with the background. The first step is to use elements or shapes within CapCut to create an eye-catching backdrop. Elements and shapes offer a wide array of customization options, allowing you to match the mood and theme of your video perfectly. Try experimenting with different colors, patterns, and sizes to see what looks best with your content. Remember, the goal is to complement your main focus, not overpower it. A helpful tip here is to keep your background simple yet engaging, so it doesn't distract from your main message. Next, it's time to add some text using the text tool. This tool is incredibly versatile, allowing you to insert captions, titles, or any information you'd like to convey. To do this, simply navigate to the text tool and click to add a new text box to your project. Type in your desired text and feel free to move it around the screen to find the ideal location. It's usually best to place your text where it clearly stands out against your background, ensuring it's easily readable at a glance. Now, once you've added your text, we move on to one of the most crucial aspects: customization. Under the Style tab, you can adjust the font to better suit the tone of your video. Maybe you're looking for something bold and modern, or perhaps a font that's more elegant and refined. Choosing the right font is key to strengthening your video's message. Along with font selection, you can also tweak the shadow and spacing. Adding a subtle shadow can really make your text pop, giving it depth and a polished look. Adjusting the spacing is equally important for readability, so take some time to see what works best for your specific text. Finally, let's add a little flair to your introduction with some animated effects. CapCut offers options like fade in or slide to give your text a smooth entrance. These effects are perfect for creating a soft and professional intro without overwhelming the viewer. They add a touch of elegance and draw attention to your text right from the start. Just navigate to the animation settings, choose your desired effect, and adjust the duration to fit your video's pacing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating visually engaging and professional-looking videos using CapCut. I'm excited to see all the fantastic content you'll create using these tips.